wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best Beyblade stadiums. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, the Baby Blue Basic Beystadium has 3 pocket traps that can capture your blades, which adds an element of unpredictability to the battles. Its 15-inch diameter and triangular shape provide ample room for a few friends to join in on the fun. It's good value for the price and holds up well under heavy use, though the surface will show scratches. At number 9, thanks to its circular basin and jagged sides, the battling arena ensures fast spinning action and near constant contact, and the wide open top makes launching a breeze. It's conveniently lightweight and can accommodate up to 3 players at a time. It sports vibrant stickers and is a budget-friendly choice, but the plastic is rather thin. Coming in at number 8 in our list, based on action scenes from the first anime series, the Epic Rivals Battle Set features a circular battle zone with a raised lip for keeping your blades in play. There's also a penalty pit in each of the 4 corners for capturing wayward tops after they collide. It comes with 2 right spin tops and launchers. However, it's not the most imaginative layout. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Beyblade stadiums, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the 2-tiered switchstrike tower adds a further random element to your fights as your blades drop down from one level to the next. You and your opponent can play head-to-head or flip the stadium over to engage in Battle Royale mode with up to 4 players. It includes 2 tops and launchers and handles for portability, but the small holes require precise launches. Moving up our list to number 6. In addition to a pocket trap in each corner, the Burst Turbo Slingshock ensures your skirmishes are intense thanks to its system of tracks that direct your bays around the surface. The high walls are useful for catching all the pieces when your tops break on impact. The playing area is a decent size and it weighs only 7 ounces. However, this one doesn't include any blades or launchers. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Burst Attack provides the ultimate combat experience as it's outfitted on each side with an offensive claw and a defensive sword avatar. These are great for knocking opponents out and forcing their bays to explode into pieces. It's equipped with a handy, clear cover and is a cinch to assemble. This one's a good choice for advanced players. At number 4, the 2 bays that come with the Turbo Cross Collision have a special slingshock mode that enables them to negotiate the rails faster, though it still will quickly eat up their stamina. This network of tracks around the battle ring makes for dynamic and unpredictable matches. It also includes ripcord launchers, and the tops can be spun left or right. It's recommended for ages 8 years old and up. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, utilizing the same kidney-shaped bowl often seen in skate parks, the hypersphere vertical drop allows your blade to climb up the curved sides onto the flat rail around the edge, before landing that killer blow on your opponent as it enters the pit again. This one's a good design for stamina-based games and includes 2 right spin battle tops, along with transparent walls for safe viewing. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Beyblade stadiums, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, you can pit the attacking Valtryek against the well-balanced Achilles inside the Slingshock Rail Rush, as both are included in the set. The system of semicircular tracks on one side hurtles blades back into the ring on the other, guaranteeing exhilarating collisions. This design introduces lots of randomness, and the playing area measures 17 inches wide. It comes with codes to activate blades in the companion app. And coming in at number 1 on our list, inspired by the 2nd season of the cartoon TV series, the Evolution Starstorm offers a jagged perimeter that sets the stage for varying battle combinations. This ups the ante and tests your prowess as you face off against your opponent. It features left and right turning launchers, a cool green color, and a durable construction. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for Beyblade stadiums, or simply click beneath this video.